Because they ride and they race, we ride. And at Hap Cycle Sales, we've been in business since 1948, family owned and operated, as one of the oldest motorcycle dealerships in the Southeast and the oldest Honda dealership in the Southeast. We're here to help you and to get you on the road. Come to Hap Cycle Sales and see the unbelievable selection and history here at our store, including our museum with great vintage motorcycles, memorabilia, photos, trophies, and all kinds of other attire. Come to Hap Cycle Sales at 2530 17th Street in Sarasota, Florida, because you do ride a motorcycle, don't you?